So we're here at Guangco.
Manila, magpapadala ng stock sa warehouse.
Okay. So their warehouse niyo is in Metro Manila? Where exactly?
Malaki yung warehouse namin sa Manila.
Okay.
Meron din kaming warehouse
Which city? Which city in Manila?
City.
Quezon City, QC po. Pero they have an office in Bangkal, Kauswagan, Mahihai, Lapu-Lapu City if you want to visit. So let's... Injure wood siya, di ba?
Yes.
So this is basically for floor. So ito yung mga kulay available.
Indoor.
Indoor. So pag interior. So ganito, like this one. So the longest you can...
1.9
meters.
meters or 190.
So by box yung ano dito?
By box, 10 pieces.
Magkano po? Yung 10 na
Ang price namin
more or
based
less
on the area.
area,
Per
okay.
SQM.
So this, ito naman is this
Granite
for
the stone.
the counter, diba? Sorry.
Marble, same as natural stone. Marble.
Same for the kitchen counter then.
Possible counter, wall accent,
Wall accent.
floor exterior.
Whatever you like, no? For as long as you have the budget. So, ito yung mga variants niya. But same material, diba?
Same material, marble.
Marble.
We have other material as quartz.
Nice. Oh, ito, medyo makinang.
Quartz.
It's quite heavy, no?
Durable because of the mineral content.
Mura gagilak-gilak siya.
Engineered stone siya. It's not a natural stone.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, sir.